In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Somalia with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen, so you can clearly see the available sending options. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up first and complete any required verification before continuing. It's always a good idea to double-check that your app is updated, since the layout can look slightly different depending on the version you're using. Once you're inside the app, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Tap on it and then select Somalia as the destination country. This step is important because it ensures the transfer options, delivery methods, and recipient details are set up correctly for that location. After selecting Somalia, tap Send Money to move on to the transfer setup. At this point, if the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts within Remitly, you can simply tap their name to continue. This can save time and reduce the chance of entering details again manually. If they are not already saved, choose the option to add a new contact. Then select their country so the app knows where the recipient is based and can guide you through the correct transfer process. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, the fees, if any apply, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so you understand the total cost of the transfer before moving forward. After that, select the delivery method. The available options can vary depending on the destination and the recipient's setup, so choose the one that matches how you want the funds delivered. Then, select your payment method. This is the method you'll use to pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you and make sure the details are ready. Once that's done, tap Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Fill these in carefully and accurately, since even small mistakes can delay the transfer or cause issues with delivery. After entering the details, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before submitting, it's worth checking all the information one more time, especially the amount, recipient details, and delivery method. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and wait for the confirmation from Remitly. That's it. You've successfully set up your money transfer to Somalia.